present.
It's not a prank.
No.
You're filming.
I know, and I know it sounds suspicious and looks suspicious, but it's not. It's paper, it's supposed to be ripped.
Okay. Popstar. Josh and Freya 2010 to 2018.
It's so cool.
That's our champagne glasses. Okay. You got a little photo book?
Yeah.
Oh no.
And basically it's,
Oh, no.
it's our entire relationship from like start to current.
What's this for? Is it our anniversary? Did I forget?
Nah, just thought
Have you
it
got
would
the
be
wrong date?
cute.
This is our anniversary, by the way. It's next month.
I know. That's what would be nice, you know.
Oh, I was fat. Is there up-to-date photos?
Yeah, look, that's Amsterdam, which was earlier this year.
Oh, skinny Don, there we go, we're back.
And now you can keep it forever because, you know, we never really have had that now, so.
That is true. We haven't actually got any place for our photos together.
No, exactly.
Got a couple of photos.
Yeah.
Now I got a whole book.
Got a whole book, mate.
With champagne glasses on the front. Do I get a champagne glass now? Josh and Myers.
And Freya Nightingale.
No. You're nothing but immediate distance. That's domestic abuse.
Measly. Josh, I found you.
Yeah.
You can finally
my
fit
first
you
meet.
on.
I need you front and centre. Like I need to be.
Are you not going to kiss it?
No. Oh yeah, you can kiss it. What are you kissing it for?
When you went away, she kissed JJ.
As well.
No, it was Vic.
Wow. Scared. Is that even allowed to be said?
Who is the best driver?
Oh. Okay, go on then.
3, 2, 1. I knew you'd put you.
You can't reverse.
I knew you'd put you.
I don't drive that often.
You don't drive. I drive
but when I did
every
drive-
day. Half an hour to work, half an hour home. I'm better than you.
We're not good on it. Ivy, it's not good, Frey. Be honest. You have to be honest with
I
yourself.
am being honest. You're not. Next.
How many times have you crashed in my car?
What do you mean?
How many times have we had a crash in my car?
We've not.
How many times have a crash in your car?
I had just passed. Bitch.
I almost died.
That's not fair.
Who's the best looking?
Okay. 3, 2, 1. Wow, you vain little... I'm not going to say the next word. Vain little thing.
Prick.
Who breaks wind the most?
3, 2, 1.
You
And
say-
not necessarily.
And you clocked her eyes. She always looks, goes, where's his hand going? Oh shit, she's definitely saying me as well.
And not necessarily through my bum bum. It's actually through my mouth. I burp a lot.
Can you break wind through your mouth?
That's
Is
breaking
that
wind.
breaking wind? I
Yeah.
guess it is.
Who is the best in bed?
How does that work? Because it's a team effort.
Yeah. Like, what do you mean? Because we have the sex together.
We have the sex.
So
What if you're feeling lazy one day?
okay, fine.
Okay.
As a man, you know what you have to answer, Josh. If you ever want it to happen again.
Well, he's ruined it now. Fuck it. Was it best in bed?
Yeah.
Alright.
3, 2, 1.
He scores! He shoots! He scores!
Little prick.
What?
Christ.
Oh, you
You're gonna
picked
say
it?
me.
No, you picked it though, so you obviously think that.
You're not getting nothing tonight, mate.
That's why I'm better. You proved it. Well done.
Who gives the best cuddles?
The best cuddles.
You can change it if
You
want.
cuddle together though.
Yeah.
You know what? I'll do it.
3, 2, 1. Damn. You didn't put me.
Best in bed, best cuddles.
He's very narcissistic. Fuck's sake.
Who's the most likely to cheat?
Oh my god.
Well, there's only one way you can answer this, otherwise you're fucked.
Yeah, trust. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
That was
You
good.
think you're jokes?
That was good.
Who has the weirdest sexual fantasies?
We don't really have any.
That's what you think.
3, 2, 1. So he's a cheater and he wants to go swinging.
How
Great.
Oh yeah.
Great.
And I'm better in bed.
Who is most likely to post a kissing picture on their Instagram?
3, 2, 1. I had to show off my man.
I gotta live that single life, innit? Get those female audience up.
Who is the most likely to get cold feet on our wedding day? I guess on your wedding day.
That's such a good question.
3, 2, 1.
Oh no, I was meant to put me.
Yeah, I don't know.
I was actually meant to put me.
Yeah, she got overwhelmed by it all. She's like, oh, it's a
Yeah,
lot
I get a
going
bit
on.
stressed
There's a lot
out.
going on. I can't handle it.
I do get quite overwhelmed sometimes over things, and a wedding is quite a big deal.
Last year,
this year. I literally will come over when he's like asleep, and I'll put cream on him because I'm like, he's gonna burn.
Draw a dick on me next time. Just don't do that, please. I'll give you an idea.
That's bad advice, Josh.
Today, we're going to be going on Tinder, an app that we don't use because we've been together so long that Tinder wasn't even out. So we are so out of the loop. We thought we'd get into the loop and, just test it. This could be like the down for our relationship. We could end up, I might be like getting addicted to this straight away. I'm like, you know what, this is great.
It's true. I mean, I use it already, but it's fine.
Yeah, I use Raya because that's for celebrities.
I like the name Madison.
Ashley Madison, which is like a cheating app.
No, that's... How do you know about that?
No. Right, where do you want to go? Where did you want to go to uni?
Cambridge.
Let's do like one you could like...
Excuse me? Madison is a smart girl.
Yeah, but let's do one...
She went to Cambridge, Josh. Put it in. He doesn't like this photo of me, apparently.
Are you trying to palm me? Do you want me to use this app? Half Swedish, I love cock.
No, Josh.
On a Tuesday.
I go to Cambridge, darling.
Unfortunately, it's Wednesday.
If you can write poems, I'll suck your dick.
Hey Madison, I'm so glad we matched because you are gorgeous.
Oh, thank you so much, Harry. We should date. Say that. Thank you so much, Harry.
Just we should date.
Haddy. We should date.
A bit forward, isn't it?
You just said, you are so gorgeous, I'm so glad we matched.
Why was it this? Why wasn't that easy for me?
Oh, you didn't even give a winky face.
Oh, I'll do it here.
Dry af.
That one?
Mm. Cheeky. That's me sprinkling it onto the thing.
You're
cock blocking me. Oh yeah, she's piff. I think I should just go gay. I'm busy.
What the fuck? Oh, that
Your yellow check skirt is such a good look for you, FYI.
And I fully agree.
Thanks.
So that's why it's our best pick.
But you're old, so this is my new guy. Sorry.
He's 33. You're calling me old. He's 33.
No, I mean you're old news.
Ah.
Why, thank you. Oh, he rides. I like a guy that rides.
He's a father. Tattoos, beard, fishing, food. He's basically me. He's alright.
He's alright, yeah. He could have a shorter beard, but
he's a bit old for you.
Pick and choose. No, he ain't. He's 31.
How old are you?
I like him matured. Matured cheese. You are something.
Why are you talking like you're from Babe Station? You are something. Just there, like shake your bum at the same time, like you are saucy.
You are saucy.
Oh, show me more.
Show me more, you bad boy.
Get off Babe Station. Stop. How have you been? Where are you from? How have you been?
Where did you come from? Where did you go?
Alright. Where did you come from? Where did you go?
Where did you come from? Cotton Alley.
Cotton Eye Joe.
Lee. You seem like a little slutty. Lee, don't be fucking rude.
I'm a nympho.
I'm a nympho. I love my bed, my mom, my dad, and my dildo.
You can get in my pants, skip the intro. Yes. Useless. What are you doing, Talia? Stop.
Can you stop it, please?
Oh,
being nasty.
Okay, I've been nice. Okay. Yeah, so what we're going to do today is instead of me buying Freya outfits, she's bought me outfits today. So I'm going to try them on and see if I like them. Oh, very pretty. Look at me go.
I like it. See? I done good for the first one. And it's a medium, so it fits you well.
Very, very well. You know what I say? I do a little dance in it, a little tutu. Disgusting.
Disgusting.
That's abuse, you saw that. Fuck you, mate. You see there's a lion back there, mate.
Why are you doing that?
Oh yeah, you look great in everything. Yo. Looks good.
Very nice. I think I could have got you a medium, or do you like it that big?
No, I like it. It's good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Do you want to have a look in the mirror?